2024 is a landmark year for tech events worldwide, showcasing innovation and collaboration across various sectors. This video provides a comprehensive overview of some of the most significant tech events of the year. From London Tech Week, attracting 30,000 attendees and 300 speakers, to Slush, the pinnacle of European startup events with a major startup pitch contest. These events are shaping the future of technology. Leap in Saudi Arabia focuses on game-changing technologies, while Africa Tech Summit Nairobi connects tech leaders across multiple sectors. GITEX 2024 presents the latest in AI, sustainability, and telecoms, offering extensive learning and networking opportunities. Each event, with its unique focus and audience, contributes to the global tech narrative, offering insights, innovations, and connections, crucial for the growth and evolution of the tech industry. This video highlights the importance and impact of these events, providing a glimpse into the dynamic world of technology in 2024. Dive into the world of major tech events with highlights from London Tech Week, Slush, Leap, Africa Tech Summit, and GITEX. London Tech Week, with 30,000 attendees and 300 speakers, is a premier event featuring insights from leaders like Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and top organizations. Ticket prices are yet to be announced. Slush, the pinnacle of European startup events, offers the largest collection of venture capital and a major startup pitch contest with a $1 million award. Leap, in Saudi Arabia, focuses on investing in technologies to reshape humanity's future, attracting 172,000 plus tech professionals and 600 startups. The Africa Tech Summit Nairobi connects tech leaders and stakeholders, featuring four tracks including the Africa Money and DeFi Summit and the Africa Climate Tech and Investment Summit. GITEX 2024 will showcase innovations in AI, sustainability, telecoms, and more, with co-located shows like iEverything and Marketing Mania. It includes product pavilions, workshops, and an intensive conference program. This video provides an overview of these significant tech events, highlighting their impact and importance in the tech and startup world. Dive into the world of major tech events with highlights from Paris Blockchain Week, EU Startup Summit, Iceland Innovation Week, and Latitude 59. Paris Blockchain Week is a key event in the blockchain Web3 sphere, attracting over 8,500 global thought leaders and experts. It showcases Web3's potential in revolutionizing business and consumer practices. Tickets start from $2,390 plus taxes. The EU Startup Summit, in its 10th edition, brings together thriving startups and accomplished entrepreneurs from Europe. Over 2,000 participants, including founders, investors, and media professionals, engage in networking and knowledge sharing, with tickets ranging from $169 to $600. Iceland Innovation Week celebrates innovation with diverse events in Reykjavik, focusing on sustainability, health, and enjoyment. It's a platform for corporations, governmental organizations, entrepreneurs, and startups to share knowledge. Latitude 59, a prominent event for Baltic companies, offers networking opportunities and discussions on technology's role in global challenges, mental health, and collaboration. Ticket prices range from $239 to $349. This video provides an overview of these significant tech events, highlighting their impact and importance in the tech and startup world. South by Southwest SXSW stands out as one of the most significant startup conferences of the year, a true tech extravaganza. This must-attend event is a melting pot for professionals in the creative and tech sectors, offering unparalleled networking opportunities. Attendees at SXSW 2024 can look forward to gaining insights from tech influencers like Scott Galloway and Kara Swisher. But SXSW is more than just a tech conference. It's a hub for innovative business ideas and technological breakthroughs, encompassing a wide range of fields from tech to film, culture, and music. This diversity makes SXSW a unique and enriching experience for all who attend. For those interested in joining, SXSW 2024 offers online event passes for $99, while Lev seat costs start at $895. This video provides a glimpse into what SXSW 2024 has in store, highlighting the importance of this event in the world of technology and startups. The Consumer Electronics Showcase 2024 emerged as a premier startup conference and tech expo, featuring keynotes from leading tech thought leaders. This event covered a wide range of topics, including AI, LLM, 5G, IoT, digital marketing, self-driving cars, space technology, and food tech. At CES 2024, numerous startups showcased their innovative products, drawing significant attention. Alongside these startups, big tech companies like LG and Samsung joined the AI trend with their smart solutions. The event also recognized outstanding innovations with the CES Innovation Awards. CES 2024 offered two types of tickets: the Exhibits Plus Pass for $350 and the Deluxe Conference Pass for $1,700, providing access to various segments of the event. This video highlights the key moments and breakthroughs from CES 2024, showcasing the latest trends and innovations in the tech world. In today's dynamic tech world, attending tech events has become crucial for professionals and businesses aiming for growth and innovation. These events are more than just gatherings. They are hubs for networking, learning, and collaboration. Participating in tech events allows individuals to connect with peers, potential collaborators, and industry leaders, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of knowledge exchange. Attendees gain exposure to the latest technologies, trends, and innovative solutions. Reflecting on last year, TFN's participation in events like Innovate Finance, Women in Payments, London Tech Week, and Slush highlighted the value of these experiences. Now, in 2024, attending tech events is not just an option, but a strategic necessity for those seeking to excel in the digital era. For companies, these events offer a platform to showcase products and services, and more importantly, to engage with potential clients and partners. The role of tech events in personal and professional development is undeniable, making them essential for anyone looking to make a mark in the tech industry.